What if your next snack isn't just something you eat, but something your gut bacteria are waiting for? Because inside your digestive system lives a hidden ecosystem containing trillions of microorganisms. And every time you take a bite, you're changing the environment they live in. A sugary snack sends one kind of signal. A fiber-rich food sends another. A fermented food introduces something completely different. And here's where it gets fascinating. Your gut bacteria don't just care about how much you eat. They care about what you give them to work with. An ordinary snack becomes a collection of different resources for a complex microbial ecosystem. And that raises a much bigger question. Could the key to supporting your gut be less about finding one superfood and more about creating diversity on your plate? Let's begin. Roasted chickpeas, the crunchy fiber alternative with ancient roots. We already established chickpeas' credentials as a fiber and resistant starch powerhouse in the hummus entries. But roasted chickpeas deserve their own place on this list because of what roasting does to their texture and how that changes snacking behavior. Chickpeas have been roasted and eaten as a simple snack across the Middle East, the Mediterranean, and South Asia for generations. A practical way to preserve and enjoy legumes without elaborate preparation. When chickpeas are roasted until crisp, they become a genuinely satisfying alternative to processed, refined flour snack foods, while retaining nearly all of their original fiber, resistant starch, and protein content. This matters practically because one of the most common obstacles to consistent gut healing isn't knowledge. It's finding satisfying alternatives to the ultra-processed snacks that research has consistently associated with less favorable gut bacterial populations and increased intestinal permeability over time. Roasted chickpeas solve that problem directly, offering the same satisfying crunch people reach for in chips or crackers, but built entirely from a whole legume. Research on chickpea fiber and resistant starch consumption continues to show favorable associations with beneficial short-chain fatty acid production and improved markers of gut bacterial diversity. Regardless of whether the chickpeas are eaten pureed as hummus or whole and roasted, toss drained, dried chickpeas with a small amount of olive oil and your preferred seasoning. Then roast at a high temperature until golden and crisp, stirring occasionally.